I can't remember when you were there, when I did care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can't do. Through the years, you've never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you've taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so. But through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt we'd always work things out. I've learned what life's about by loving you through the years. Through the years, you've never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years.
Lima ng lakay. Bawas na daw.
That my love will see through.
Manaw na. Kusog ka na makawa mo.
Dalawang kadri, alam sa ayun lang, di na kayo. Nangihi ito yan, nag-awa si ito.
Namuloy tayo yung likod. Namuloy tayo yung likod. Resulta na lagi doon sa kamuti.
Gaano na siya ni naku, ano yung gilid, di ba? Kanang disability day. Gilid, ramo na, hindi manatbang.
I let precious time go by. And when she's gone, there's that odd melancholy feeling and the sense of guilt I can't deny. What happened to the wonderful adventures? The places I had planned for us to go. But we can see what's in our mind. Each time we leave, the ghost within and why she keeps on. My fingers all the time. Sometimes I wish that I could freeze the picture. My fingers slip from but we see what's in her mind. Each time I think I'm close to nowhere, she keeps on growing, slipping through my fingers all the time. Sometimes I wish that I could freeze the picture and save it from the funny twists of time, slipping through my fingers.
Dinuinom si Mamila. Sabi si Mamila. Saba, inom-inom siya ba?
It's home in the early morning, waving goodbye with an absent-minded smile.
Kao na may call. Kao na may ang ulam na mo. Kita pero may ganun. Sinigay na dyan. Ay tulugay. Siyang atila. Tinday ba? Tinday. Ang pag-regard. Wala. Take raw video ba?
Ako kanta. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday na!
Nita na kay mami.
Kung makakagawas, wala pa makakipagawas. Hindi daw. Dili man ka magbaklay, unsa ka? Magsakay ka. Natagak mo na, oh. Nya, iman. Dugay na ni mo gipangandoy. Ang
In the dark, with my lonely broken heart.
Oriental.
A different me, back on my feet again. I'm not afraid to face the
kape.
Oo, kaya naamang kayo kuan, naamang ka atong bayals. Nalimot po siya nga atong tambala. Bayals mo dito. Katong gi-inject sa imo ha? Bayals mo dito. Udo wala na nagsigsakit imo kuto-kuto ma. Kami diri wala na. Sa ato adik na din natin mahimo kay di na kabalo sa ang inject ato. Pangutanon lang niya ipapangutahan na lang akong junjun ang kugun ani DR. Kugun sa tong tambalan na para sa kuto-kuto ni nalimot ko ba. Amping mo diri si kaning kamot ma 28 taron ugma 29. Gamot mahal na ulian ka dayon mahal. Gani. Dili magsigma ako na o problema. Kaya ako manigamot ko ito manarbaho ko kay para makasuporta ko. Ako sa inyo ha. Ano man lang. Dili ka magsigma ako na o problema. Love you, Mama Rose.
She's always on my mind. From the time I wake up until I close my eyes, she's everywhere I go. She's all I know. Though she's so far away, and it keeps getting stronger every day. Even now she's gone, I'm still holding on. So tell me, where do I start? 'Cause it's breaking my heart. I don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love will come back someday. Only heaven knows. Maybe kaya naman makayanan kahit pa na nahihirapan, kahit lungkot dumaraan. Pag natuyo na ang luha, parang naipan ang iyong kandila. Init ay wala. Hindi ba pangako mo nung una? Tiwala'y iingatan. Baka naman sa susunod na habang buhay ay dala. Di talaga inasahan magkagulo, magkagulatan. ka naman sa susunod na habang buhay. At kahit na magdona ng oras, ang puso may
Medyo okay na si Lola.
ikaw pa rin sa susunod na habang
Tabo niya ka ng sawa kay
I know nothing could matter. God, I wish something mattered to you. I'll take my pride, standing for you. No, I'm not blind, just seeing it through. You take my life just for the thrill. Well, I'll take tonight and die on this hill.
Buntag ni.